Welcome friends. Today we are going to learn figure of speech. Let us see the meaning of figure of speech. Figures of speech are a very important method of communication in our society. They specify between different shades of meaning and give more accurate description. Figure of speech is a phrase or a word having different meanings than its literal meanings. फिगर ऑफ स्पीचलाच मराठीमध्ये आपण अलंकार असे म्हणतो. भाषेचं सौंदर्य वाढवण्यासाठी अलंकारांचा उपयोग केला जातो. कवितेमध्ये एक भाव निर्माण होण्यासाठी अलंकारांचा वापर केला जातो. नाउ लेट्स सी सम फिगर ऑफ स्पीच इन इंग्लिश. The first figure of speech we will see here, that is simile. Comparing two unlike things using like or as is called as a simile. Example, she ran like the wind. Here, running and the wind are unlike things. When you compare the speed of running to the speed of the wind, you are using a simile. Let's see some example of similes. The snow was as thick as a blanket. Here, snow is compared with blanket using the word as. She was as light as a feather. She is indirectly compared with feather. You are acting like a baby. Person is compared with baby. He felt like a bug under a microscope. He is compared with bug which is under a microscope. His temper was as explosive as a volcano. His temper was compared with volcano. Next figure of speech, that is metaphor. A figure of speech stating that two things are similar. Here we also see the comparison between two things, but that comparison is direct comparison. Example, the book was a passport to adventure. You are what you eat. Her hair was silk. मुलांनो, परीक्षेमध्ये तुम्हाला कधी कधी प्रश्न विचारला जातो, फाइंड आउट द फिगर ऑफ स्पीच फ्रॉम द सेंटेन्स. That time, many of the children, they confuse between simile and metaphor. Now let's see the difference between simile and metaphor. While both similes and metaphors are used to make comparison, the difference between simile and metaphors come down to a word. Simile use the word like or as. In simile, we see that there is the use of the words like or as to compare the things. Example, life is like a box of chocolate. Life is compared with the chocolates. In contrast, in metaphor, we will see there is the directly comparison between the two things. Example is, love is a battlefield. Now, here also some example of simile and metaphor. Let us see. He eats like a pig. This is a simile because he is indirectly compared with pig using the word like. In next, he is a pig. This is a metaphor because he is directly compared with pig. Here, she looks like a doll. This is simile. She is a doll. This is metaphor. He is as strong as an ox. He is indirectly compared with ox using the word as. So, this sentence is simile. And he is an ox. Here, he is directly compared with ox. Because of that, this sentence is metaphor. Now here we see when the word like and as are used to compare the things, then that is simile. In metaphor we see direct comparison. Hope all of you understood the difference between simile and metaphor. Now let us see our next figure of speech, that is alliteration. Alliterationलाच मराठीमध्ये आपण अनुप्रास अलंकार असे म्हणतो. Alliteration is a term to describe a literary device in which a series of words begin with the same consonant sound. Alliteration focuses reader's attention on a particular section of text. Alliterative sounds creates rhythm and mood. रिदम आणि मूड ॲलिटरेशनने तयार होतो. काही ठराविक कालावधीनंतर साऊंड पुन्हा रिपीट होतात आणि त्यामुळे टंग ट्विस्टर निर्माण होतं. Let us see some examples of alliteration. A good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. Here, k sound is repeated. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Here, p sound is repeated. I saw a saw that could outsaw any other saw I ever saw. Here, s sound is repeated. Now the next one is sheep should sleep in a shed. Here, s, this sound is repeated. It is not very easy to read this type of sentence fast. Now our next figure of speech, that is repetition. Repetition is a literary device that repeats the same words or phrases a few times to make an idea clearer and more memorable. आयडिया क्लिअर आणि मेमोरेबल स्मरणार्थ राहण्यासाठी काही ठराविक शब्दांचा पुन्हा पुन्हा वापर केला जातो. ते पुन्हा पुन्हा रिपीट होतात. त्याला रिपिटेशन असं म्हणतात. एक्झाम्पल, 1 fish, 2 fish, रेड फिश, ब्लू फिश. हिअर fish, this word is repeated. Hope all of you understood.